A quiet day in Lee County, Florida. It's 1:28 p.m. and a highway patrol officer sits patiently in his Dodge Challenger, stationed on Highway 146, watching traffic heading toward New Brunswick. Suddenly, a flash of silver cuts through the steady stream of cars. A Chevrolet Silverado, moving at breakneck speed, violently slices through traffic. The truck is traveling at over 100 kilometers per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, in a 100 kilometer per hour, 62 mile per hour zone. The officer's laser device locks on, confirming the speed at 60 miles per hour, 98 kilometers per hour. The Silverado races along the inside lane of Interstate 75, passing several cars. The officer immediately begins a pursuit. The high-speed pursuit. The chase begins. The Silverado began changing lanes erratically, nearly colliding with a semi-trailer truck. The trooper activated his emergency lights. The Silverado driver responded by braking intermittently, shifting gears, and swerving between lanes. He then engaged his right turn signal, as if intending to stop, but quickly accelerated and changed lanes again. The trooper activated his sirens. The chase continued on I-75, with speeds reaching 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour. Another patrol unit joined the chase. The second trooper maneuvered his vehicle, attempting to overtake the Silverado. However, the truck driver brazenly avoided stopping by slamming on the brakes and deliberately ramming his vehicle into the patrol car. He then repeated the maneuver, this time with a violent collision. This time it was a very violent collision that caused the patrol to get stuck. Despite the violent collision, the Silverado continued northbound in the right lane of I-75 at 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour, even after its right front tire failed. The driver turned off the exit, ran a stop sign, and attempted to turn west onto Tucker's Road. The pursuing officer took advantage of the opportunity and struck the left side of the Silverado, sending it into a grassy area. The truck eventually came to a stop. The driver, still determined to escape, tried to hit the gas pedal, but the Chevrolet would not move.
We're going to be taking the exit.
We're taking exit.
Okay, stop. Let me see your hands! Get your fucking hands! Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the fucking car right now! Get your fucking hands! Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the car! Get out of the fucking car! Pull his goddamn head off! Get out of the fucking car! Pull his fucking head off! What the fuck you on? You want any fucking safe? Fuck up. Get up. Get up. Don't look, dumbass. Get up. Get up. Don't hurt me. Get up. Tell me the FBI. FBI. Yeah. Tell my family. Call my church in the radio. I'm not getting set up. Sorry, buddy. You drunk? No. Sound drunk. Anything on you that's got nothing to stick me. I didn't want this, man. I didn't want this. Don't get antsy right now. I'm not. I might take you to the ground again if you get antsy. That's it, you. I respect you guys. Well, not enough to not fucking run. Man, my life's over with anyway, man. Put that on yourself. Yeah, man. Medication. Take medication, what kind of medication?
Car 1757, some photo was going to Chevrolet.
Man. Alright, what
Oh, yeah, I'm not here.
I'm showing the law. Yeah, clearly I am so. You get a hold of my uncle Tommy, Donald Day. Go! Go where? Take me in. Sally. Double lock. Double lock. Back him up.
Make sure my shit's out.
When you're not speaking of anything, have the conversation, you're going to leave all of it.
Go. Alright, so I think
I didn't mean to. I'm psyched. I'm psyched. I hear voices. off my car. You got gloves? You got gloves? Stay home.
He then jumped into the passenger seat and fled on foot. Officers pursued him, and after a short foot chase, they were able to apprehend him.
Come on, man. You gotta think about
Findings.
yourself.
During a search of the truck, officers discovered several items. They found 6 empty and 4 full liquor bottles, a 99 brand party pack, and 3 burned marijuana cigarettes. Drug paraphernalia was found in the center console. On the left rear passenger door, 2 prescription bottles were found, one containing oxcarbazepine and the other containing gabapentin. The driver was transported by emergency medical services to a local hospital for treatment. A CT scan revealed a bottle of pills he had hidden inside his rectum. A blood test showed his blood alcohol content was 0.152, nearly twice the legal limit. After receiving medical attention, he was taken to jail, ending a chaotic chase.